Good afternoon, traders. Thomas DeLello here. This afternoon we're going to share with you one of the very important pieces of our what we call our order flow dashboard. For every market that we trade, we have this order flow dashboard constructed. And what the dashboard does for us is organize the information that we want to look at in a very visual manner. So it allows us to quickly scan the market looking for both trade location and confirming order flow conditions. We're looking at order flow here and here. This is price here and here. Today we're going to focus in just on our buy pressure, sell pressure gauge. Now we have other confirming factors in here on both of the two quick trade examples I'm going to show you here today. But we're just going to focus in on what the buy pressure, sell pressure gauge is telling us. So we're trying to create reference points. So for us, it's about letting the market get into an area that we're interested in conducting business. And for us, it would be a supply zone above the market here. And this zone was here since, I believe sometime in May, this zone was formed. So it's a zone that was formed previously in the market. Now, this is the first time the market's coming back up into this area. So when the market gets into this area, we're looking for confirmation in the order flow. What we're looking at here in this study here is the momentum of the order flow. It's our buy pressure, sell pressure gauge. And what we found in a nutshell is that using order flow momentum information as opposed to price momentum information gives us the opportunity, kind of a heads up, to glimpse into changes in price before price actually changes, as opposed to using standard momentum indicators that are based on price, which give you a heads up after price has already changed. Now remember, this is based on the order flow, based on the buying and selling that's coming into the market. So when we notice that order flow momentum peels away from price, one of two things has to happen. Either the order flow must pick back up in order to support that move in price, or price is going to reverse. So what we're expecting when the market gets into this area, because of also other supporting and confirming factors, we're looking for the buy pressure to start to diminish up here. I want to show you what happened here just a few minutes ago. And actually, while we were getting prepared to video this, we had another setup occur too, which we're going to look at real quick here as well. So we have the market picking up into our zone here, not quite into the bottom of the zone. And what we're looking for is for clear definition that the buy pressure is diminishing. You know, the market's making new high, and yet the momentum of that order flow is diminishing. You know, we know stops are getting hit here. There's some demand being created, but as the market gets up into our supply zone, it gets into that level of inventory hitting those stops, we're noticing that the buy pressure is diminishing. That's what we're looking for. Now watch this as the market makes a higher high right into the bottom of our zone here. Look at the difference in the magnitude of the order flow, showing you a lot less buy pressure here. That resulted in a nice little sell-off here. Market wound up selling off into our demand zone. As we're getting prepared to video this, we actually had another setup occur at these lows here. I'm going to show you that real quick here. As the market's selling off, already here at 65.50, although above the top of our zone here, which is 64.50, we're noticing that we have less sell pressure coming in. But again, our goal, you know, we'd like to get optimum trade location. So we're not looking to be aggressive here. You know, it's the day before a holiday, kind of a thin market, not too much time left before the market closes. So if we're going to take this trade, we're looking for optimum trade location. You notice this push down right into the top of our zone here. Look at the difference in the buy pressure, in the sell pressure here now. Here we're looking at buy pressure. Here we're looking at the pressure of the sellers coming into the market. We see that the sell pressure is diminishing. The other clue that we picked up on here at the same time was an inventory transition to the other side. So we have a lot of confirmation here, a lot of confluence, a lot of synergy is what we look for. Resulting factor of the sell pressure diminishing as the market's coming into the top of our demand zone. Nice little pop in price, and the market came all the way back up to challenge highs here. Everybody have a great holiday. Trade patient, trade well for the rest of the day. We'll be back on Thursday with a little market recap video.